you. This is the topographic map. If you look over here on the right, you'll see a plus and minus. Now, some of the other things you'll see on this map, here is the projection for the Universal Transverse Mercator, and it says it's in zone 11 south. This is to make corrections for your compass because magnetic north is not exactly north. Here's your scale. 1 to 24,000 means 1 inch to 24,000 inches on the Earth. 1 inch on the map to every 24,000 inches, or represents 24,000 inches on the Earth. Or you could do meters to meters. Remember, scale is same to same. But down here you have this area that has these linear scales, and the linear scales tell you about miles or meters or kilometers or feet. And then below that you have the contour intervals. And the contour interval on this map is 40 feet. What does that mean? That is these brown lines. You can see my cursor going back and forth. These brown lines, every line represents 40 feet between each one. Now, notice here how dark it gets when you've got something very close together. That means that there's 40 feet of elevation change every time these lines happen. So you're getting further and further and steeper along here. But look what happens down here in the valley. They're way far apart. That means that this area is not as steep. Another feature on this map, as you move over, this is the state of California. This little dot is where Mount Darwin is. You move down here, this shows you that the center map is Mount Darwin. But say that you had a trail you were following, and oh no, it goes off this map right here, and you're somewhere down here. You know you can go here, look down, and that Mount Goddard is the next map that you'd have to get in this series so that you could have the whole area. The next thing shows you the different types of roads shown on topo maps, including the interstate, the primary roads, this sort of thing, four-wheel drive roads, and then finally the name of the map and the year that this was updated. Now, a lot of the maps are being updated further on GIS, which is Geographic Information Systems. But this map is a copy of a paper map that we have in the lab. So you're getting the same map that we would normally be using. So that's the tour of the USGS topographic map.